Good morning, guys. Today is going to be a little bit different of a video, but it's going to be pretty exciting in regards to the Datsun. Now, you might not see a lot of the Datsun today, but we are going to pick up the first package of parts that will allow us to start getting work done on the Datsun. So this is pretty exciting. We got to make a little bit more than an hour drive to pick up the parts, and then we're not going to be doing too much with them today, but we will be doing some other work in the garage that you guys will see in just a little bit. But let's go grab these parts. I'm pretty excited. This is awesome. It's been about six and a half weeks since the order date, maybe a little more. So I'd say almost 2 months. So it's been a long time coming. Let's go. All right, we just picked up the packages. They're all there. We had to pay some tax as usual, just because it's the way it works when you're going across the border. If you guys didn't know, we had to go pick up these parts across the border. And we got nailed, to say the least, but I was expecting it. Can't really get away with it. But now we're gonna go and finish off the day with some organization and getting everything prepped for when we start the work on the Datsun. Alright, we're here in the red on red truck. We gotta go pick up some big things, that's why we're in the truck. And we're moving on to the next stop of the day. We gotta go to Home Depot, pick up some things, like I said, for the garage. And we're gonna go and install everything for the garage. Simple as that. It's gonna be the rest of the day, getting the garage all ready for the Datsun restoration 2.0. Alright guys, we're back in the garage. We're back home in the garage. We got some pegboard here. We want to completely reorganize the garage, and I know a lot of videos, not so recently, but over the past little while, we've gone and done some things in the garage. We've built this bench. We've organized all the shelving over here, but it is still chaotic in a sense that we don't have any tool organization. Toolbox over here is already full, and the one right back there we will be going through today. But we've been pretty much working out of this bag down here, and it's literally full of tools. So we figured might as well plaster this wall here with a pegboard to get everything so we can hang it up, because right now, as you guys can see, this is what we've been working with. Just tools literally everywhere, and Datsun parts, because Datsun is life. More Datsun parts and more garbage there. So like, we really need to get the garage in a state where it's going to be comfortable, easy to work, fast-paced for once we get into the Datsun work, because the faster we can get the Datsun work and the smoother the Datsun work gets done, the sooner we can get the Datsun on the road, because we're starting to push everything now to a time where the Datsun could be driving. It's starting to get warmer. It's gonna start getting warmer soon. So we want to get this done. So we've already taken a majority of things down and stored it away, so they're not taking up room. So all the wheels for the Datsun, a couple other parts that you guys actually don't even know of yet. A lot of the parts that came off of the 370ZX subframe, a lot of that will be going on the Datsun. Also went down there. Just get out of the way, that way we can really focus on getting the garage organized, because like I said, we want to make the process as fast and smooth as possible for getting this work done on the Datsun. Because yes, we went and picked up some parts today, but that is not even half of what we're still waiting for, and some stuff still needs to get ordered. So there will be a time there where there's going to be some crunch time, because I'm not going to be starting this until all the parts are here. So we'll see what happens, but that's why we're gonna take some time today and make sure the garage is good and ready to go for us to start working. Alright guys, made some really good progress today. That's it, it's done. Look how good it came out. No, I'm just kidding. We have to put all these tools up there, but before we do, I want to go and grab some more tools from the other place and maybe go buy some stuff. That way we're fully equipped here. This is mostly just going to be for like your screwdrivers, your wrenches, your sockets, if we can make it happen. We got these, and we're just going to kind of slide all the sockets on here, see if that works. We'll see what happens, but hopefully we can get this wall full of tools, and then we'll be organized. Alright guys, I'm going to take some time, go through the boxes. Now if you don't know, everything we ordered is from Techno Toy Tuning. If you don't know who they are, I'll put a link in the description. I went through one box already, not through all the parts, just one of them, and I'm absolutely shocked. Like, the build quality seems amazing. I cannot wait to get these on the car. This is gonna be an exciting video, for me at least. You guys, I hope, can feel the same excitement. My God, guys, we got wrapping, or whatever it is. Okay. Need a glimpse. I just need a glimpse. Oh. Wow. That is absolutely fucking crazy. I don't even know if I should show you guys. You guys ready for the review? I don't even know if you guys can see it. Probably not. Oh. Oh my God. This is a beautiful thing. I'm telling you right now, this is a beautiful thing. I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me get a little bit closer. I wasn't going to show you guys this, but so amazing that I have to. I just have to. Oh my Lord. Like, are you kidding me? This thing is sick. I'm super excited. Got the T3 logo there. So I said something seems a little bit wrong. I asked for solid pillow mounts, that way I don't have to weld or drill into the body. I'm still debating what I'm going to do actually now that they sent me these ones. This will allow me to run a lot more camber. As you can see, have a little bit more adjustment capability. So I'm going to contact them, see what they say, and go from there. There is a possibility that there is the pillow mounts in another box. So what? Look at this. What? That's crazy. All right. That's all you get. That's all you guys get. I'm gonna go through these boxes, make sure everything is there and in good shape. These are in amazing shape. Quality is great. I'm gonna go back into the garage, finish some stuff up. All right, guys. So you guys have a little bit of a teaser with what we got for the Datsun. Let's get these tools hung, and hopefully the rest of the orders will go in next week. I'm gonna keep talking about it because I'm so excited, but we're hoping to start, I would say within the next month and a bit, to be full force into the Datsun. So just a little bit of a heads up, that means that the crown will be done by then, so expect some crown stuff happening fairly soon, because tools are going to be organized, the crown will be done, and then the Datsun will be top of the list once again, finally, because it's what I've been dreaming about for my entire life. Since I was born, actually before I was born, I've been dreaming. I knew I was going to own a Datsun before I was born, if you guys didn't know. But still dream about it every night. I can't believe it. It's like vivid in my mind. Did I ever tell you guys, when I was waiting for the Datsun to get shipped, it took about 5 or 6 weeks, I had a dream that the car came and it was absolutely a shit box. Like, more than the car is right now. Like, the Datsun, the Datsun is shit. But like, oh my God, like there was barely any panels on this car, and I don't know why. I knew what the car was. I've seen some pictures of the car. I've never seen the car in person, so I didn't know what to expect. But I guess that was making me worried. And I figured, or I had a dream that the car came and it was just destroyed. There was rust everywhere. It was like barely running. And it came and it wasn't black. It was red. I don't know why, but it was a weird moment in my mind. I woke up and I remember thinking about it the whole day, like, holy shit, is the car gonna come a different color? Like, I started questioning everything, but the car came. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, and we're here now. So, little story time for you guys. All right, let's stop rambling and get into this. Alright guys, as you can see behind me, the tools are all hung up. The counter is clean, looking good. We are finally organized, which is perfect. We can now move on to working on the Datsun once the crown is wrapped up. That shouldn't be too much longer to get the crown down off the jack stands and out to get the frame fixed and to paint. That's pretty much what we're looking at, and then we can start working on the Datsun. Hope you guys liked the little teaser in this video. The parts are absolutely amazing. I've never seen build quality like this. It's just, the attention to detail is amazing. I can't wait till we start putting everything on the car, and I'm assuming because the quality is so good that there shouldn't be any issues us getting the parts on the car. There's a couple decisions I have to make too on the final setup, but we'll take you guys with us when we get to that point. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Stay classy, crew.